inelastic collision. In an inelastic collision, only linear momentum is conserved, while kinetic energy is not conserved. Consider an inelastic collision, wherein a car of mass 750 kilograms, moving at a velocity of 15 meters per second towards the left, is hit by a truck of mass 5,000 kilograms, moving at a velocity of 25 meters per second towards the left. After the collision, the truck and the car stick together and move with a certain velocity. We choose the direction to the left as positive. The initial linear momentum of the system before the collision, vector pi equals vector pic plus vector pit equals 136,250 kilogram meters per second towards the left. Total kinetic energy of the system before collision, kei equals keic plus keit equals 1,646,875 joule. Since linear momentum is conserved in an inelastic collision, let us calculate the final velocity of car and truck after the collision using this principle. From the law of conservation of momentum, vector pi equals vector pf, 136,250 equals mc plus mt times vector vf, 136,250 equals 5,750 times vector vf. Therefore, vector vf equals 23,6 meters per second towards the left. Therefore, final kinetic energy of the system, KEF equals 1,601,260 joule. From the above calculations, we can conclude that KEI not equal to KEF. In fact, KEI greater than KEF. Thus, kinetic energy is not conserved in inelastic collision. This decrease in the kinetic energy is converted into other forms of energy, like sound energy, heat energy, and deformation. Practically, elastic types of collisions are not possible. In all collisions, a small amount of energy is always converted to deformation. If it is negligible, they are considered as elastic collisions.
Starting to feel it? Now go master it with Maski.